50 miles an hour. Construction zone, guys. All right. It looks like something is. This is new. New roads they build look like. So I'm going 45. Here's 55. I should go a little bit higher, but problem is I don't like surprises. So on left side I have a cement blocks. On right side I have no emergency spot lane there, so you know, take it easy, especially if you heavy load. You don't know on this kind of construction anything can come to you, right? Yeah. So buddy gotta slow down here. It's 55, yeah. Going 40, 54, that's good. All good, all good. So let's see how this construction lane will end up here. I'm still in New York State. I'm enjoying these hills around here. It's beautiful, not really easy to drive, you know. Very nice, beautiful day. I try to always stay positive. That's me. Some drivers, they hate their jobs, but you know, I look this way. You have to work Monday to Friday, no matter what you do, unless you're millionaire. But even millionaires, they think more, and they have more stress than I do. True, they have more money, but in general, you know, that's how I think, right? You gotta go to work Monday to Friday, weekends off. I always do that, and I will never stop that. I don't work weekends. I don't work night shifts too. Sometimes if I'm late, maybe I stop 10 o'clock. Here is the emergency pull-out zone. In case you have trouble with truck, you gotta pull up here for short time. Or if you're down, that's the place to repair your truck. So they think it's smart people thinking about everything here. So now, yeah, this guy, yeah, a lot of truck drivers don't like this job. Because first they don't plan their trips. They don't plan the trip. They just sit in the truck and get their GPS, and whatever GPS takes, then they go. And that's wrong, you know, because I could go on this trip to 3 different ways, and you know, I picked the shortest one and the major highway. Why going side roads if you have a big major highway? But GPS sometimes will fool you. It'll take you to the shortest one, and you end up in friggin' villages, right? Or low bridges and shit like that, right? So that's why plan your trip. That's the #1 goal. Plan your job, you know. You don't want to go somewhere, tell them I don't want to go, give me another load. Nothing wrong with that. So you organize your week. You don't wait for nobody to organize your stuff. So stop, you know, do breaks, right? Get a coffee, man, get a McDonald's, whatever. Taco Bell is my favorite. They don't pay me for this anyway. So things like that, you know, try to relax at your work. Because really, you have to put miles. I'm paid by miles, right? So you have to put this mileage 5 days average mileage, you gotta put this under your gas pedal. No matter where you go, no matter how you your day or how you drive, you have to do that because it's just this is just a part of the job. But for complainers, I'll send a message. If you don't like this job, don't do it. Go home and watch Jerry Springer show, and that's your option. I don't even know if this show is on. For older guys, they probably remember this show, but you know, anyway, yeah, go home, go retire, do something, don't be in a truck, you know. But if you're complaining all the time, nobody gives a shit anyway.